Now that we've heard from Arcadis, we proudly present some exciting news from Schneider Electric, which partners with businesses and governments worldwide to deliver sustainable and innovative energy solutions that optimize performance and minimize environmental impact. Over to you, Sorouch.
Thank you, Abigail. Hi, everyone. My name is Sorouch Kheradmand, and I'm leading sustainability for Schneider Electric. I'm super excited to be here with all of you today, leaders in the building industry, to share with you the new partnership that we're building with One Click LCA to drive better transparency in the industry. As many of you know, buildings are a key factor into the global warming and the carbon emissions. Indeed, they represent close to 40% of energy-related carbon emissions globally. And if we want to tackle the climate issue properly, we also need to give the right tools to the industry to do so. So we all acknowledge that data and accessing to accurate data is a challenge. And this is where, with this partnership with One Click LCA, we aim to bring that transparency to you. We want to set a new standard for the industry so that you get access to actually the best data to help you in your design and serve your customers better. So through that partnership, you'll get actually access to all of Schneider Electric's data for all our products. And as you know, Schneider is a manufacturer, a leading manufacturer in the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing space. With that, we don't only mean to bring data, but also set a new standard for transparency and enabling you in your work and in the ways you serve your customers better. For us, it was obvious to partner with One Click LCA, as One Click LCA is, of course, a leader in the carbon data space. They have a global footprint, and the vision that we share, that by bringing transparency is the best way to bring decarbonation in a way that is also business friendly. We are strong believers in this purpose. So this is just the start. Schneider is actually entering into that partnership. I'm confident that many more will follow, and we are really excited to enter the next steps of that journey, and together with One Click LCA, but also all of you, serve our common customers more efficiently, more transparently, to drive decarbonation and bring them value. Thank you very much.